It's a wonderful opportunity to win the award, and I would say it just means that the effort that our team has put together, those efforts are now substantial enough that they are in the public eye, and with the millions of customers and lakhs of drivers that are there on our platform, the Ola story and the exposure that the Ola story is getting, I would say that it's just amazing to be part of that journey, and thank you for giving us the opportunity.
Finally, Ankit, a lot of people say there are a lot of lessons from China that Indian startups should learn. In that sense, will Didi Kuaidi be a very good partner for you to really counter Uber, an anti-Uber alliance, so to speak?
Obviously, local players have a lot of deep learnings that they bring about the ecosystem, like Didi has done in people who are deeply entrenched and fighting it in a single economy.
You're part of the jury for the Maiden Startup Awards. What does this really mean for you?
No, I think it's a terrific opportunity. I'm so impressed with the turnout. You've got 400 guests. I think the startups are the new IT services of the this decade and this generation, right? And I think there's a huge opportunity for us as a country, as an economy, to promote this. So I'm very excited to be here and to support it.
Do you think the Indian ecosystem has matured enough, because people are now giving it monikers like the Silicon Valley of India? Are we at that stage, or are we celebrating too soon? What is your own sense?
No, I think it's still very early days, but I think there's a huge platform and an opportunity to leverage the huge talent that our country has and to really create a platform that will enable these companies to grow and become the next, big companies of our yesteryears. And so there's a huge opportunity for us as companies, for us as a country, to support the ecosystem to make sure that it nurtures and grows. But I think it's still very early days.
And are we getting blindsided by the unicorns, the consumer internet companies, so to speak, not so much focus on the enterprise companies? What is your own take?
No, I mean, the unicorns are the big gorillas of the startup space, right? And I think there are few and far between of them, and there are many other startups, and we've got to ensure that we create an ecosystem, we create an environment, we create a platform that nurtures many more companies to become unicorns, right? And that's the thing that we should be focusing on at the moment.
This award really means a testimony to the new sciences and the new paths that we have been treading, and I'm grateful to Economic Times for recognizing the new and upcoming field of genomics.
Okay. And you're also in a very niche space, Map My Genome. Tell us a little about the potential that you see. Is it something that Indians are taking to in a big way?
I think Indians are starting to take this in a large way, but if you look at it, a lot of the diseases that we have today, 80% of them are caused by lifestyle diseases, and many of them can be prevented. So I think it's about, first is about creating the awareness, but once people are aware, they are very much taking to a concept like this. And I'm very hopeful that people understand the value of what health means to them, and health is really wealth. When they get to know that, they start to understand not only their genetics, but also their family history and everything else.
I guess different causes for us to select different in different categories, and some of them were extraordinarily innovative. It was really amazing to see some very exciting new products and new technologies which are coming from India. And on the other hand, we had people who had built something very big and very impactful. So there were multiple parameters that we were using under different categories. So yeah, the conversation was very exciting. A lot of debate around who deserves more and what should be the right parameters to use.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.